a whole bunch of psychics together and just tell the psychics to just go do whatever way they do it. If they have a tarot card, or if they have a regular card, or if they throw shells, stones, nuts, or whatever they use. And have them divine what it is and then come to the public and say what it is, because the divination don't go wrong. It don't go wrong. Some people are worrying about if Hillary's husband will wind up running the country if she wins. I don't think so. I don't think that he is going to be able to do that. Some people say, well, Obama is the best man, and you know, he's the best man. In the year of the female power, okay, to be president. Well, if you're in the psychic, you can't go by what none of them say. You can't go by if this one say he's better than this person and vice versa. You have to go by what the divination say. Hillary is not going to be that easy for her husband to tell her what to do in running the country. She's not going to be able to do that. I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you some things about April.